Welcome to How to Earn Money Chatting with Strangers tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to earn money using rentcyberfriend.com. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So in this website, chatting is fully virtual. So all you need to do is make some calls or send and reply to messages, and all of it will be virtually. You also may use your phone cam or your webcam. And in this website you can make your own rate, but people always charge from $15 an hour to $50 an hour, and the website takes 20% commission. So all you need to do to sign up is to click on Get Started for free. Then here you can choose what you will do. You can choose I am a cyber friend. Here you can earn money by chatting with callers who will pay you by the minute. Or you can choose I am a caller. You can connect one-on-one with available cyber friends who share your interest. So I will sign up as a cyber friend. So what is the requirements? There's no experience needed. All you need is a device and a stable internet connection and to be over 18 years old. So the money will be transferred to you in bank transfer or PayPal. And here you will type your name, last name, email address, and you can create your password, then agree for the terms and click on sign up to sign your account. Then they will give you some tests and will respond to you as fast as they can. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.